He started to experience a little bit of stiffness in the top of his arm right here. Wasn't the bottom. It's not in here. It was just tight. It started to get tight in here, and we didn't want to push it.
The bullpen, though, you had it lined up. I guess even with Nate having to come out a little early, you had the bullpen lined up with Strahm, Minor, and the guys you wanted in there.
Absolutely.
In the ninth, is that Kell against Vargas, just bad location on that changeup?
Yeah, I mean, it just kind of, it was up a little bit out over the plate. He's a big, strong guy, got his hands extended. Probably if we'd have got Castro out there, they probably wouldn't have pinch hit Vargas. So, that was the key at bat, really.
Is Vargas a guy you don't want to mess around with fastballs with him?
No, you want to attack him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bonifacio obviously had a great night for you guys, putting you in position to win. What did you think of maybe the most impressive thing he did tonight?
Well, the home run was the catch. We saw some great defense tonight. Out of Bonnie at the wall was a great catch, and Gordy's 2 catches were fantastic. I've seen it 1,000 times, but it's still every bit as impressive every time you see him make a play like that, especially those diving plays, because he gets such a phenomenal jump on those balls. Comes in and just snatches them right up.